Hi Jeanette, I wanted to send you this quick video as promised to give you some tips on your website, show you where your company is ranking currently, and just go over a few specifics about how you can beat your competition online and bring in more business. So I know you mentioned that this isn't something you're really looking into doing anything for right now, but hopefully this video will help you in the future and you can always save it. And if you have questions for me, then you'll have all my contact info. So the three things I'm going to talk with you about are content, backlinks, and citations. So let's just start with your site here. Content is anything on the homepage of your site that Google can read. So all the text on the homepage, all the text within your images, and whatever your images are saved as. Now, to be considered authority in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, and you're going to want it to be stuffed with content that has to do with buyer intent. So for you specifically, you'd be looking at things like house painters, Austin, Texas, painting contractors in Austin, Texas. You might want some pressure washing keywords thrown in there. And then some, of course, on your staining and carpentry as well. So all of those keywords will help you to rank these services and to rank higher in the Google search results if you have those keywords on your homepage. So like I said before, 1,500 words is what you want to strive for. So if you were to add more content on here, the number of keywords you'd want to look at doing is standard rule of thumb we tell our clients is one keyword for every 100 to 150 words on the page. So that would be about 10 to 12 keywords if you were to get up to that 1,500 word mark that you'd want here on the homepage. And then as far as your service pages go, I see up here, you have them split up into separate sections, which is awesome because it really helps these back pages to rank for each of these individual services. So on service pages, we say, 500 words is a good number to strive for, and then anywhere from 3 to 4 keyword phrases spread organically throughout the paragraphs here on that page is what you want to go for. So each of these pages looks really good. I mean, you do have some good content on here. Just making sure that you're targeting the right keywords on each page is what I would recommend to you to take a look at. I like how you guys have a gallery. One thing that I would add is an About Us section. So I see you have a company. Here we go, About Us. So you don't need to add that because it's right here. I'm sorry, I didn't see that before. So this is perfect. It just really helps to build trust with your prospective clients to show who you guys are and what you're about. And then, of course, you have your Contact Us page. So my main recommendation to you is just to make sure you're targeting the correct keyword phrases so that you can get the most searches as far as what people are searching in the Google search results, and hopefully your website will pop right up for that based on your keywords on your page. So the next thing I want to talk with you about today is backlinks. The thing with backlinks is it can kind of be like a popularity contest in a way because Google judges you based on how many websites are pointing back at you. Now, very important to remember that not all backlinks are created equal. So what that means is you're going to gain a lot more influence from a backlink that is related to your industry specifically. So for example, a painter's blog that mentions your company would be a good one for you. Or a popular website that features various types of home improvement services, that would be another good one for you. So something that has to do with the services you offer, you're going to have much more influence given to you from that type of backlink versus a backlink from, let's say, your local Domino's Pizza, for example. So a tool I use to measure backlinks is called Ahrefs. And I went ahead and put in your website here. It looks like you don't have any backlinks at this time. Let's just take this part off and check the actual domain. Okay, so here are your backlinks. So you have 89 backlinks and you have 27 websites pointing back at you and 6 for your organic traffic. So that tells me you have minimal traffic coming into your website each month. So you've had about 6 website visits within the last 30 days. That's what it's measured over. And then you have 94 keywords. Let's go check out your keywords. So you have some good keywords on here. Painters Austin, it's a search volume of 200, so that's good. and then Austin Painting and Remodeling. So you have a lot of location-specific keywords, which is what you want. So you just want to make sure that you're targeting all these on the correct pages and getting good traffic from those. And then I went ahead and put in one of your top competitors in the area, That One Painter, to just give you kind of a comparison here so you see what they're doing. So they have 117 website visits in the last 30 days, and my guess is that they've converted some of these at least to new customers. So a strategy we tell our clients to use to get that same kind of influence and power as their competitors is to go in and get the same backlinks as they have, and then continue to keep adding more and more. So you'll end up surpassing them while gaining more power to your site, more organic traffic, and a lot more new customers, of course, which is the ultimate goal. So I hope that makes sense. This is my website, and this is my company, Lobo Leads. Here's my phone number. If you have any questions over anything I went over with you, I'd be happy to help answer those. And I hope this video was helpful for you. Like I said before, I'm always open to talking with you through any of this if you need in the future. So thanks for watching.